Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you were charged for a Runna subscription and want your money back, you will need to request a refund through the app store you used to make the purchase. Runna subscriptions are managed by Apple or Google, not directly inside the app. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to request a refund in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, requesting a refund allows you to ask for your subscription payments back, stop unwanted charges, correct accidental purchases, and resolve billing issues. So each store decides whether the refund is approved. Okay, so first thing first, request a refund on iPhone. For example, open Apple's refund page. So open your browser, go to reportsaproblem.apple.com, sign in with your Apple ID, use the same account used for the purchase, find the Runna subscription, locate the Runna charge, and tap report a problem next to it and check the date and the amount before selecting. Okay, so then choose a refund reason. So select a reason, for example, accidental purchase, and then tap submit. Apple will review the request. Okay, on the other hand, request a refund on Android. Okay, so I don't have an Android, so open Google Play refund page, open your browser, for example, go to play.google.com/store/account, sign into your Google account, use the same account used for purchase, find the Runna purchase, go to orders, locate the Runna subscription, click request a refund or report a problem, and select the correct transaction. Okay, so I tried to be as fast as possible to cover the two versions, the iOS and the Android. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.